Hey friends, it's Bob and Fran, authors and advocates for healthy aging and healthy eating. And today we're going to talk about eating soy foods. Is it really healthy for us or is it not? We've done a lot of research on soy over the years and even more recently. Stick around until the end because Fran is going to talk about hot flashes and how soy affects that. I can't wait. Wait a minute. She's in her 80s. Does she still have hot flashes? Stick around.
We'll see when we get to the end. Back in the 1990s, there was controversy and confusion as to whether or not soy foods increased the risk of breast cancer because of the hormone estrogen. But scientific studies have now proven that the estrogen found in soy is phytoestrogen, which actually lowers the risk of breast cancer.
This can be accomplished by eating just 1 or 2 servings of soy each day. And these could include foods like tofu and tempeh, edamame, miso, and soy milk. Research has shown that regular consumption of soy foods resulted in a 60% drop in occurrence and reoccurrence of breast cancer and a 29% drop in death from breast cancer.
Moreover, soy food consumption is linked to lower rates of heart disease, reduced blood pressure, and lower cholesterol. Soy is also known to improve cognitive capacity, and it helps to prevent osteoporosis. Soy foods are very good sources of protein. They can improve one's overall health, especially when they replace unhealthy foods from animals or highly processed foods. This is not only good for you, but for the animals, of course, and the environment.
Many of you know that we spent a lot of time in Asia. In countries such as Thailand and China and Japan, soy has been consumed for millennia, and there was virtually no breast cancer or prostate cancer. However, in recent times, as the American diet has crept into their diet, we're sad to report that those cancer rates have risen.
Another health question that we get is, can eating soy foods affect fertility? From what we've learned, as long as you don't consume large amounts of it, soy can be beneficial for fertility. And have you heard that eating soy foods can reduce hot flashes and night sweats in menopausal women? It's true, according to at least one study on this subject.
One other health issue regarding soy is its effect on the thyroid. A Loma Linda University review of 14 different studies found that people with healthy thyroids are not impacted by soy consumption. However, if one has hypothyroidism, soy foods have been shown to interfere with the body's ability to absorb thyroid medication. So experts advise to wait at least 4 hours after eating soy foods to take your thyroid drugs.
As most of you know, there are many different soy foods. The most healthful are edamame, which are the actual soybeans themselves, and they're delicious in salads or in stir fries, or you can snack on them, and fermented forms like tempeh and miso. Tofu and soy milk are also beneficial, but a bit more processed. We believe it best to avoid all highly processed soy products, and that also includes plant protein powders. Hi friends, just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical AquaTrue tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So we urge you to click on the 𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷 link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please invest in your health now.
So here's what we do about buying and eating soy and encourage you to consider doing the same. A friend does most of the shopping, but I know that she tries to buy organic and non-GMO soy products whenever possible. 80% of the soy that's grown in the United States is genetically modified, and it is not organic. It is heavily sprayed with chemicals and is primarily used for animal feed. So please read the product's ingredients, not just the front of the package, but the actual ingredients before buying.
And I promised that I was going to tell you about hot flashes. Well, I had hot flashes for so many years that my gynecologist said I would probably always have them. But after switching to a whole food, plant-based diet about 15 years ago, within a very short time, the hot flashes disappeared and they never came back. That was once I eliminated all animal products from my diet.
So there you have it. So we'd like to know what your take on eating soy may be. Do you substitute some soy for animal products? Please express your views in the comment section. And also, if you could just help us grow our channel by sharing this video with friends and family, we'd be very grateful for that. And we look forward to seeing you very soon.
Saw you later.
Saw you later. Oh.